Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apache Hudi for incremental data writes, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Apache Hudi for incremental data writes, begin by setting up your environment. Ensure you have Apache Hudi installed in your data processing ecosystem. You will also need Apache Spark and Hadoop configured properly in your system. Start by creating a new directory for your Hudi project. Within this directory, create a new Spark configuration file. In this configuration file, set the necessary properties for Spark, such as the master URL and application name. Next, define the Hudi options for the dataset you will use. Specify the table name and the base path for storing your data. Set the Hudi table type. Generally, you will use either copy_on_write or merge_on_read. To enable incremental writes, define the necessary primary key and partition path fields. Set up the schema for your data. This should include field names and their corresponding types. Once you've configured the options, you can write your incremental data processing logic. Use the Hudi DataFrame API to create and update your data. Make sure to implement the Hudi write operations using the write method with your data frame. When writing your data, remember to enable commit and rollback features for transaction protection. Test your incremental writes by running your Spark job and checking the output. You can verify the data using the Hudi CLI or by querying the dataset directly in your storage system. Check the metadata in your Hudi table to confirm that incremental records are being tracked correctly. Finally, monitor the performance and behavior of your Hudi setup to ensure optimal data writes. Make adjustments to your configuration as needed based on your testing and monitoring results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.